Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil light. So pretty much all you want to do is turn the key onto the on position. The next thing you want to do, push the O trip, change it to A. You want to press and hold till it clears. Then press it again, press and hold, and clear trip B. Then you want to change it back to trip A. The next thing you want to do, turn the key off. And then for this one, I won't be able to do it with two hands. Hold on, let me see if I can do something real quick. Alright. So press and hold down the OD2 trip button. And then turn the key to the on position again. And then it's gonna start flashing like that. And there you go. It's reset. So this goes for the 1Z vehicles and most few other Toyota vehicles. But I'll list all the vehicles in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you on the next one. Peace.